guys, today I'm going to show you how to get from this to this. Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel, Jazz New, where we talk about beauty, fashion, and plant-based recipes. I'm Jasmine, and today is a food recipe on this Mighty Meals Monday, and I have for you an interesting recipe. Now we're going to take oyster mushrooms and turn them into hot wings. Shout out to Edgy Babe. In her video she uses jackfruit. I don't like jackfruit, so I wanted to use oyster mushrooms, and I also did some other different things in this recipe. Before we get into the recipe, why don't you like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you can always stay in tune with Jazz New. So let's get to the recipe.
We're going to take 4 large clusters of oyster mushrooms and we're going to shred them up like chicken, just like this. So you're going to want to be careful when you're chopping up your mushrooms. When you have all your mushrooms cut up or chopped up, we're going to add 1/4 cup of water and all of our mushrooms to a skillet. Then we're going to add 1/2 non-chicken chicken bouillon cube, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, and salt and pepper to season your mushrooms. Add this on medium heat and cook for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water and whatever seasoning you want, and we're going to mix this into the mushroom mixture. Now this is going to act as a binder to the mixture. Now we're going to add our skewers. Now you can use anything you want to, but I am using a skewer and I'm going to break that in half. I'm going to use the blunt side for the flat and the pointy side for the drumstick. Please be careful. And we're going to use rice paper wrapper for the skin. Now you're going to dump your rice paper wrapper in water and start filling your wrapper like so. Add meat, then a part of the skewer, and then more meat on top. We're doing a flat right here, so we're going to use the blunt end of the skewer. Now, when you're done filling up your mixture, you're going to take one side of the rice paper skin and you're going to fold that over. Then you're going to do the same with the other side. Next, you're going to fold the bottom over top. And then you're going to take your top and fold that over the bottom. Now, the rice paper right now is pretty sticky, so it's going to adhere to itself essentially. So you have it just like this, and we're going to dump it in seasoned flour, a flax egg, and our panko breadcrumbs, and we're going to set that aside. That's for your flat. Now we're going to do the drumstick. So we're going to dip the rice paper wrapper. Then we're going to add our mushroom mixture, then our pointy end of the skewer, and have that sticking halfway out of the wrapper, just like so. Then we're going to add more of our mushroom mixture on top, and we're going to fold the front part, the top part of the skin, downwards towards the middle. Then we're going to take one side and fold that over to the other side, and then we're going to do the same for the other side. Make sure you wrap the skin around the stick to ensure that none of the meat comes falling out when you're air frying these. So I am air frying these chicken drummings, and you can always deep fry them or bake them, but for this we're going to air fry. So this recipe makes about 12 wings. And they're pretty decent size too. I'm going to take vegetable oil and I'm going to spray my wings. So I'm only cooking these 6 at a time. And I'm going to cook them on 360 degrees for 20 minutes. Make sure you flip halfway through. Now we're going to make our J sauce. We're going to add 1/3 cup of hot wing sauce, 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and we're going to stir it up just like so. And let this cook for about 5 minutes until all of the ingredients are combined and the mixture is hot. Now do you hear that? That is crunchy. So you can eat them just like that, or we can toss them in the sauce. Now mind you, when you toss them in the sauce, it's not going to be as crunchy as they were before. But when they're fully covered, put them back in the air fryer for about 5 minutes at 360 degrees. And when you're done, you should have these wonderful and delicious, realistic, vegan hot wings. I got a little drummy. Alright. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Do you see it? Oh. Please try this recipe. Now you can make this with any sauce. You can make it with barbecue sauce, lemon pepper, regular buffalo, the J sauce, or you don't have to have it with any sauce at all, but just try out this recipe. It is so good. It really is, guys. I'm not even lying. Get some vegan. This is so good. This is so good. Unfortunately, there isn't a TT time this week, but don't forget to leave your comment because we will resume TT time next week. So leave your drink idea down in the comments below. Like I always say, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay you, my friend. And don't forget to stay in tune with Jazz New. Bye, lovelies.